What if I told you that you could automate almost any task without writing a single line of code? Meet n8n, the game changer for automation. So, what exactly is n8n? n8n is a powerful, free workflow automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services together. Think of it as the brain that makes all your tools talk to each other automatically. Whether it's sending emails, posting on social media, managing data, or handling customer requests, n8n does it all on autopilot. But why choose n8n over other automation tools? It's free and open source. No-code visual editor, just drag and drop. Connects 400+ apps and service. Self-hosted or cloud-based options. Unlimited workflows, no restrictions. Unlike expensive alternatives like Zapier or Make, n8n gives you total control without breaking the bank. Want to create Google Sheets automatically with just one click? Let me show you how to build your first n8n workflow in under 2 minutes. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open your n8n dashboard and click on Create Workflow to start building. Every workflow needs a trigger, something that starts the automation. Click on the plus icon and select Manual Trigger. This lets us test our workflow with a single click whenever we want. Now for the magic part. Click the plus icon again, and this time search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets from the results, and then choose the operation Create to create a new spreadsheet. Now, you'll need to configure your Google Sheets credentials to connect n8n with your Google account. I've already set this up, so I'll just select my existing account here. But don't worry, in my next video, I'll show you exactly how to configure Google Sheets credentials step by step from scratch. Next, let's give our new spreadsheet a name. I'll call this my first n8n sheet, but you can name it whatever you want. And that's it, our workflow is ready. Now let's test it. Go back to your workflow canvas and click Execute Workflow at the bottom. Watch this, in just seconds, n8n will create a brand new Google Sheet for us automatically. Let's verify it worked. I'll open my Google Sheets dashboard. And there it is. Our My First n8n sheet was created automatically. No manual work needed. How cool is that? Congratulations! You just built your first n8n workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to configure Google Sheets credentials from scratch. How to add data to Sheets automatically.
Click the subscribe button and click on notification bell